Guys, I have already explained you first 5 questions of this exercise in my previous video. Now please concentrate on the rest 5 questions. This is chapter 3 of miscellaneous exercise. Okay, now let me start the problem. Now what he is asking is prove that the sine 7x plus sine 5x plus sine 9x plus sine 3x by cos 7x plus cos 5x plus cos 9x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 6x. Now you will have to take LHS. So solution, I'll take solution. LHS I'll take. LHS is sine 7x plus sine 5x plus sine 9x plus sine 3x. Just put bracket in this by cos 7x plus cos 5x plus cos 9x plus cos 3x. This is what is LHS. Now what you can do with this is, you see, we have a formula for sine, I'll take it then, okay, sine x plus sine y. There's a formula. What is the formula for sine x plus sine y? It is 2 sine x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Sine x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2. Okay, for sine x plus y. You put this in bracket. This is a formula. So we can use this formula here. We know that. Okay, then there is another formula for cos x plus cos y. What is the formula for cos x plus cos y? Is 2 cos x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2. For cos x plus y by 2, again cos x minus y by 2. For sin x plus sin y, you get sin as well as cos. Okay, this is the next formula. Now with the help of these two formulas, you can solve this problem. Okay, now you will have to understand, or you will have to by heart of the formulas. That is compulsory. Now you see, we'll take LHS again. LHS is equal to, you see, sine 7x plus sine 5x. You can apply this formula for sine. So can I write 2 sine, in place of x and y, what I can write is 7x and 5x. So 7x plus 5x by 2 and cos 7x minus 5x by 2. This is for sine 7x plus sine 5x alone. So this you put it in bracket. Then again here plus is there. Then for sine 9x and 3x, what you can write is 2 sine 9x plus 3x by 2 cos 9x minus 3x by 2. Clear till here? Okay, this is the numerator part. The denominator part, you see, cos comes here. So for cos, you will have to use this formula. So what is the formula? 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So you can write 2 cos, what is x? 7x plus y is 5x by 2 and cos 7x minus 5x by 2. This is for cos, plus again 2 cos 9x plus 3x by 2 and cos 9x minus 3x by 2. Okay, Clear till here? Now what you will have to do is, you see, you can solve this. So 2 sine 7x plus 5x is what? 12x. So 12x by 2 is 6x, you can straight away write. Then cos 7x minus 5x is 2x. So 2x by 2 will give you x. Clear? Okay. Plus 2 sine 9x plus 3x again is 12x. 12x by 2 is 6x. Then cos 9x minus 3x is 6x. 6x by 2 is 3x. Okay, I'll remove this bracket from here. Bracket is not required. Okay, now by 2 cos 7x plus 5x is 12x by 2 is 6x. Cos 7x minus 5x is 2x. 2x by 2 is x. Plus 2 cos 9x plus 3x is 12x. 12x by 2 is 6x. Cos again 9x minus 3x is 6x. 6x by 2 is 3x. Okay, now you can take common. Here you have 6x, sine 6x. Here also you have sine 6x. Here you have 2. Here also you have 2. Only thing is this is not there. Again for this also. No. So 2 sine 6x I can take common. So what is remaining is cos x plus cos 3x. Again here 2 is common. And what is common again? Here 6x is there. Here cos 6x. Here also cos 6x. So cos 6x I can take common. So what is left in this term? This is one term, no? What is left in this term? Cos x. Like above. Above also the same thing, no? What was left in this term? Cos is left, so you put cos. What is left in this term? Sin cos 3x is left, so you have put cos 3x. So here also, in this term, what is left? You have taken 2 cos 6x outside. So what is left? Cos 3x is left. So cos 3x. So you see here also you have cos x plus cos 3x. Here also you have cos x plus cos 3x. Here 2, here 2. You can cancel all this. So now what is left is sin 6x by cos 6x. Sin 6x by cos 6x. What is sin 6x by cos 6x? You can write it as tan 6x. What was your RHS? RHS is tan 6x. So it is proved is equal to RHS proved. Clear? Okay. Only thing you will have to remember this formula so that you can use it, apply it here, take common and then cancel wherever possible and then find it out. Okay. Now the next one. Prove that sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x. Okay. Minus sin x is 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. Now you have to take LHS. LHS is sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x. Now rearranging, just rearrange, because here 3x is there and here minus x is there. So 3x minus x will give you 2x. 2x is already here. So some similarity is there, no? So we'll have to rearrange it. Sin 3x minus sin x, then plus sin 2x. Now you can start the problem. Now sin, now there is a formula again. The formula is sin x minus, here minus is there, no? So sin x minus sin y. What is the formula for sin x minus sin y? Is 2 cos x plus y by 2 and sin x minus y by 2. This is the formula for sin x minus sin y. For sin x plus sin y, you have 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Since the sign is changing here, since it is minus here, you will get cos x by 2 first and then sin x by 2. The same thing, the only thing is this is getting interchanged. Cos is getting sin and sin is getting to cos. Okay, you will have to remember like that. Okay, now you can use this formula, since you can write and then write it here. What you can do is you apply it in this. Okay, sin 3x minus sin x, you can write it as, I'll change the color. You can write it as 2 cos x plus y by 2. What is x here? 3x. What is y here? X. So x plus x, 3x plus x by 2 sin 3x minus x by 2. Okay, this is for this. Now what you will have to do is write sin 2x as it is. Okay, now solve this. So 2 cos 3x plus x is 4x. 4x by 2 is 2x. Then sin 3x minus x is 2x. 2x minus 2x by 2 is x. Plus, what is sin 2x? Sin 2x can also be written as 2 sin x cos x. You can write that here also, or what you can do is you can write it the side as since sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. But you will have to write it. You will have to give the reason. For the reasons and all, you have mark. Okay. Now what you will have to do is you will have to just simplify. So 2 cos 2x sin x plus 2 sin x cos x. Actually, this step is not required. The same thing I have written. It's not required anyways. Now you see what is common. You have 2 common here also. Here also you have 2. So you can take 2 as common. Here sin x is there. Here also you have sin x. So you can take sin x common. Okay. Now what is remaining? Cos 2x in this term. In this term, what is remaining? Cos 2x. So cos 2x I can write. And in this term, there is plus here. You can write plus. And in this term, what is remaining? Cos x is remaining. Okay. Now what you can do is, again you will have to use the formula. What is the formula? Cos x plus cos y. The same thing. You can use this cos x plus cos y. You can use this formula. So I will have to write it here. Wait, first 1 second. So this 2 should be written, and again I'll change the color. Okay, for the formulas I'm changing the color so that will be easy for you to see it. Na? Okay, now since cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Okay, now you can use the formula. You can use the formula and write it here. Like how, what will you do? What is the formula? Is this is the formula. So for that, 2 sin x as it is, cos 2x plus cos x. So 2 cos x plus y by 2. So in place of y here, it is x here. So, and again cos x minus y. What is y? Y is x here, no? So you'll have to put x by 2. Okay. Now you see 2 sin x, simplify it. 2. 2x plus x is 3x. 3x by 2 is again 3x by 2 only. You can't convert this, no? You can cancel it. So 3x by 2. Then cos 2x minus x. What is 2x minus x? Is x by 2. Now you see these 2 and this 2 you can multiply. Sin x cos 3x by 2 cos x by 2. And what is your RHS? Your RHS is 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. So that is what you got here. So little bit of change. Sin x cos x by 2. You can interchange it, no? Because everything is under multiplication only. So you can interchange it is equal to RHS proved. Okay. Now you see, find x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2 in each of the following when tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3, where tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3 is given. Okay, and x is in quadrant 2. So what you will have to do here is okay, I'll take this. Now you see, x is in which quadrant? What he's saying is x is in second quadrant. Okay, so x is lesser than second quadrant. You see, this is first quadrant, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. No, x is less than what? In second quadrant. X is in second quadrant, he's saying. X is in second quadrant. This quadrant, what all is positive? Sine is positive and cosec is positive. No, cosec is positive. Then here what we have to find is not x. We have to find x by 2. We'll have to find x by 2. So x is less than 180 because here it is 180, here it is 90, here it is 360, and here it is 270. Okay, now 90, 180, 270, 360. So x is in second quadrant is x is less than 180, but x is greater than what? Greater than 90 degree. Now you see what? A 90 degree can also be written as in radian form, pi by 2. So is less than x is less than pi. You can write like this also. Now you see x by 2 you will have to find out. So what? I can divide by 2. If I divide throughout, if I divide x by 2, I'll have to divide the whole by 2, no? So this will become pi by 4 is less than x by 2 is less than pi by 2. So x by 2 is our angle theta. So x by 2 is less than pi by 2 but greater than pi by 4. So which quadrant will this x by 2 be? X by 2 will be in x by 2 or angle or theta will be in which quadrant? Will be in first quadrant. Okay, so understood. So x by 2 will be in which quadrant? X by 2 will be in first quadrant. Is in first quadrant. Understood? This why I am doing this is later you will understand why I am doing this. Okay, why I have solved this like this, x by 2, because you will have to find out in is it plus, is it negative, or is it the positive. You will have to find out the result. Now we'll come to the question. So understood till here? It is the theta is in first quadrant, okay, or the angle is in first quadrant. We'll have to find out sine, cos and tan. Okay, now what is given is tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3. This is given. So we can take we can take one, this one is, we know that 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. This is the identity. You have studied this in class 10. 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. So in place of tan square, I can apply this form, I can substitute this value of tan x. So 1 plus minus 4 by 3 whole square. Sorry, I've not changed the color. Okay, now you can take this as 1 plus minus 4 by 3 whole square is equal to secant square x. Okay, secant square x. So what you can do is you just have to simplify. 1 plus, this will become plus 16 by 9 is equal to secant square x. So secant square x will be, if you take LCM, it will become 9 plus 16 by 9, which is 25 by 9. So what will secant x be? Plus or minus root of 25 by 9, which is plus or minus 5 by 3. Okay, because root of 5 by 25 by 9 is 5 by 3. It is plus or minus. So two values can't be, no? Say one ratio can't have two values. So you see secant x. X is in which quadrant was given? Second quadrant. So when x is in second quadrant, theta, secant theta is negative or positive? Negative. In second quadrant, secant theta is negative. So what you can do is secant x is equal to minus 5 by 3. Clear? Okay. Because in second quadrant, secant x is, secant theta is negative. So secant you got. Now, reciprocal of secant is what? Cos. So cos x is minus 3 by 5. So you have cos x. But we want cos x by 2 we want. So what will you do? So what you can again, there is again another formula. What formula is that? Is, you see, cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. You have a formula as cos x is equal to 2 cos x by 2 minus 1. How you are getting this is, you see, cos 2x. You know cos 2x. What is cos 2x? Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. How are you getting this? Cos 2x is cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, when I break the sin square x, when I change the sin square x to cos square x, what will I get? Cos square x minus, what is cos square, sin square x is 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x. Now when I open the bracket, the sign will change. So cos square x plus cos square x will give you 2 cos square x, and here minus 1. This is how you are getting cos 2x as 2 cos square x minus 1. Clear till here? Okay. Now after you get this, now I want to change this angle as by 2. If I put this by 2, I want to change this angle. No, this angle should be changed because I want cos x by 2 I want. No, cos x by 2. So in order to change this, when this angle is changed, I'll have to change this angle also. So this will become cos x. So cos x is equal to 2 cos x by 2 minus 1. That is what I have written here. Okay. Okay. Now what you will have to do is, you will have to apply it apply, substitute the value. Now cos x is what? Minus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Bring it to the other side, it becomes minus plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Now minus 3 plus 5 by 5 is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Now this will become 2 by 5 is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Now cancel both of this. What will you get? Is equal to cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 by 5. But we want cos x by 2, no? So cos x by 2 is equal to root of 1 by 5 plus or minus root of 1 by 5. Now you see x by 2 is in which quadrant? X by 2 is in first quadrant. First quadrant. In first quadrant, cos is what? Cos is positive or negative? Cos theta is negative in first quadrant. Okay. Therefore, cos x by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 5. Root of 1 by 5 can also be written as 1 by root 5. Understood? Clear? Okay. Now, this is over. You got cos x by 2. Now, you will have to find out sin x by 2. You'll have to find out sin x by 2. You see, we have another formula for cos x. For cos x, you have another formula. What is the formula is? You see, cos x, since cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Now you want sin x by 2. Now cos you have already found out. Now you have to find out sin x by 2. So for that you can use this formula. So this is 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. So in place of cos x, what you will have to do is you will have to again substitute the value. Minus 3 by 5 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. So minus 3 by 5 minus 1 is equal to minus 2 sin square x by 2. So this will become what? If you take LCM, minus 3 minus 5 by 5 is equal to minus 2 sin square x by 2. So this will become minus 8 by 5 is equal to minus 2 sin square x by 2. Now cancel both of this. What you get is, and cancel this also you can cancel. So 4 by 5. So sin square x by 2 is equal to 4 by 5. This is what you are getting. But you have to find out sin x by 2. No? So sin x by 2 will become 2 by root 5 plus or minus 2 by, I'll write it clearly, it will become plus or minus 2 by root 5. Okay, 2 by root 5. What? Sin x by 2. So now again you will have to see x by 2 is in which quadrant? X by 2 is in first quadrant. So first quadrant, all are positive. Oh my God, it is in first quadrant. No, x by 2 is in first quadrant. So this will be plus, not minus, plus. Okay, this will be plus. Now you see, first quadrant it is plus 2 by root 5. So sin x is plus 2 by root 5. Okay, now you got sine and you got cos also. So now you will have to find out tan. No, sine you have, cos you have. Now tan you will have to find out. So tan is, again you can take tan x by 2 is equal to sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Okay, I'll do it here because there is lack of space. I don't want to just crumble it up. Now you can take tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 is sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Now what is sin x by 2? 2 by root 5. And what is cos x by 2? It is 1 by root 5. So cancel both, you get 2 by 1, which is 2. So tan x by 2 is equal to 2. Clear? Okay. Now I think I'm right. Did I do any mistake in finding out if it's plus or minus? Here it is x is in second quadrant. So second quadrant secant is minus. Okay, negative. Secant is negative. So you got this one. And here cos, okay, cos x, okay. Cos x will also be negative. Then this is correct. All are correct only. Okay. Now ninth one is cos x is equal to minus 1 by 3. X is in third quadrant. Okay. Now solution, cos x is in, so cos x, value of cos x is what? Cos x is minus 1 by 3 and x is in third quadrant. So first what you will have to do is first take the formula. So what is the formula? Cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. You can find out cos x by 2 from this. So that's the formula. Now you can use substitute it here. 1 by 3. Cos x is 1 minus 1 by 3. So 2 cos square x by 2 is minus 1. Now I have not found out in which quadrant x by 2 will be. So that I'll explain you later. Okay. Now minus 1 by 3 and minus 1, not minus, this if it goes here comes to the left hand side becomes plus, is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Now minus 1 plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Now you get 2 by 3. So 2 cos square x by 2 is 2 by 3. And this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So it becomes 1 by 3. Okay. Okay, not here. Now I'll do it in the next this one. Cos square x by 2 is 1 by 3. So cos x by 2 will be plus or minus root of 1 by 3, which is nothing but plus or minus 1 by root 3. So now you will have to decide whether it is plus or minus. Now you see, now let me explain you. X is in which quadrant? X is in third quadrant. X, this is third quadrant. X is in third quadrant. No? Okay. Now we'll see. What you will have to do is, you see, x is, if x is in third quadrant, what is the this one value Here it is 90, 180, 270 and 360. Third quadrant, x is less than 270 but greater than 180. No. So it is less than 270 but greater than 180. So x is greater than 180 and less than 270. So you can divide by 2. Divide by 2 throughout. You get here 90 is less than x by 2 is less than, what will this become? 135. So 135 is what? In which quadrant it is? This is in first quadrant. X is greater than 90, first quadrant. This is second, inside the second quadrant. No. So x by 2. So x is in which quadrant? X by 2 is in which quadrant? Or else if I put it like this, 270. Okay. Second quadrant. What I'll do is x and by 2 is less than. Okay. What I'll do is will explain it even more clearer. 90 if you take this x you're taking, no, x is less than, it is in third quadrant, so less than 270 only. You will have to write like this only. X is greater than 180. So 180, how can you write in radian form? Pi. It's less than, x is less than 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is 270 is 3 pi by 2 because it into 180 divided by 2, 90. So you get 270. Okay. Now you will have to divide by 2 throughout. Now you get pi by 2 is less than x by 2 is less than 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 is nothing but 135 degree. So now x is less than 3 pi by 4 but greater than pi by 2. X by 2 is less than 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4, well, where will it come? Somewhere inside here. Then pi by 2, where will it come? It is on, this is 90 degree. No, so it is less than 3 pi by 4. So in which quadrant will x by 2 be? X by 2 will be in the second quadrant. X by 2 will be in the second quadrant. Now in second quadrant, cos x by 2. What is cos x by 2? Cos theta or cos x by 2 is negative. So since cos x by 2, since cos x by 2 is negative in second quadrant, what you get is cos x by 2 is minus 1 by root 3. Clear till here? Okay. Now cos x by 2 you got. Now what is left? Sin x by 2 you will have to find out. Now you see, what we know is, we know that cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. So what you can do is, if you divide by 2, if you divide the angle by 2, then also you get the same 1 only in the right hand side. So you can apply this. Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 is 1. You can apply it and substitute cos x by 2 here, and then you can find out sin square x by 2. Okay. Now you will see. Now minus 1 by root 3 whole square you get, plus sin square x by 2 is equal to 1. Now what I can do? 3. 1 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 1 by 3 minus 1 is equal to minus sin square x by 2, because I am taking the sin x by 2. that side. So it becomes right hand side, that. So it becomes minus. Now minus 3, 1 minus 3 is minus 2 by 3. So what I can write is minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus sine square x by 2. So minus minus will get cancelled. So sine square x by 2 is 2 by 3. So what will sine x be? Sine x by 2 be? Sine x by 2 is plus or minus root of 2 by 3. Okay, root of 2 by 3. So again, x by 2 is in which quadrant? X by 2 is in second quadrant. So second quadrant sign is positive, so you can take the positive one, plus root 2 by root 3 also you can write. So sin x by 2 is root 2 by root 3. Sin x by 2 is root 2 by root 3. Now you have sine, you have cos. So what you can do is you can find out tan. Tan x by 2 is sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 is root 2 by root 3 and cos x by 2 is minus 1 by root 3. Cancel both of this, you get minus root 2 by 1, which is nothing but minus root 2. So tan x by 2 is minus root 2. Okay, this is your answer. Now you see the last one. Sin x by 2 is given as 1 by 4. Here you had cos x. Here also you had what? Tan x. Now you have sin x, I believe, not x by 2. This is sin x. Question, I have written it wrong. Sin x. Sin x is what? Sin x is 1 by 4. Okay. Now, now take this. Sin x is equal to 1 by 4. X is in which quadrant? X is in second quadrant. Now you see, I'll explain you how to find out the quadrant. How to find out x by 2. Now you see, x is in second quadrant, which means x is here in second quadrant. X is here. Now x is less than 180 but more than 90. Obviously x is in second quadrant, which means x is more than 90 but less than 180. So in radian form, by 2 x by, and you get pi here. Now if I divide by 2, I'll have to divide by 2 everywhere. So what I get? Pi by 4 is less than x by 2 is less than pi by 2. So where will x by 2 be? In which quadrant will x by 2 be? X by 2 will be in first quadrant. Okay, clear? X by 2 is less than 90. So somewhere here this is 90. This is 90 degree. No, this is 90 degree. So somewhere here means x is less than 90. Okay, so x by 2 is in first quadrant. Okay, clear till here? Now you will have to take this. Sin x is equal to 1 by 4. So what will you take now? Sin x is given. So take sin square x plus cos square. Change the color. We know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So apply the value here. Square plus, oh, I have not changed the color. This is the solution you're doing, no? So you'll have to change the color. You see, substitute the value. So what is the value? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 whole square plus cos square x is equal to 1. So you get cos square x is equal to 1 minus 1 by 16, which is 15 by 16. After you take LCM, you get 15 by 16. Now cos x will become plus or minus root of 15 by 16, which is root of 15 by 4. Now you have plus or minus. It is x. X is in which quadrant? X is in second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative. So you will have to take minus root 15 by 4. Clear? Okay. Now cos x you have. Now what you will have to do? You will have to again find cos x by 2. So how will you find cos x by 2? So take that formula. Which formula is that? You will have to use this formula. What? Cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. I've already explained you how this comes. Okay, now you can see it above. Okay, now what you can do with this is put the value here. Root 15 by 4 is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Now minus root 15 by 4 plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, now simplify this. You get minus root 15 plus 4 by 4 is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Now what you can do is take this to the side, becomes reciprocal. So I can interchange this. 4 minus root 15 I can write by. If this comes this side, if 2 comes this side, then it becomes 1 by 2. So 4 into 2. 1 by 2 will give you 4 into 2. It will come in the denominator. So it becomes 8 is equal to cos square x by 2. Now this cos square x by 2 is this. So what is cos x by 2? Is plus or minus root of 4 minus root 15 by 8. Now you see, you can't do anything with this. You can't even still simplify this. So what you will have to do is make this as perfect square. How can you make this as a perfect square? Is when you multiply by 2, it becomes 16. So 16 is a perfect square. So you are multiplying by 2 in the denominator. So in the numerator also you'll have to multiply by 2. So plus or minus. So 8 minus 2 root 15 by 16 it will become. Now this becomes plus or minus 8 minus 2 root 15 by this root you can put in the numerator. You can put, you can't do anything because there is a minus sign here. And 16 can be, perfect square of 16 is 4. So you get cos x by 2 is equal to, x by 2 is in which quadrant? X by 2 is in first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. So you can take 8 minus 2 root 15 by 4. Root of, okay, this is your cos x by 2 you got. Now you will have to find out sin x by 2. Okay, now you have another formula I told you, no? Cos x by 2 can also be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. You can use this formula here. Now you see, now you can't use this formula. Why you can't use formula is, this is a very complicated number, no? This number you can't use. So what you can change the formula. You can change the formula here. You can take this formula. Sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 is equal to 1. If you take this formula, let me see if I can do this with this. This also you get the same thing only. So what you can do is I'll try with the same old formula only. Okay. Cos x by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. So if I take 8 minus 2 root 15, I'll try with this. Let me see if I'm getting a 8 minus 2 root 15 inside the root by 4 is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. I'm just what I have done is I have just substituted x by 2, cos x by 2 I have substituted. Okay. So you see 8 minus 2 root 15 by 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 2 sine square x by 2. If I take this here, oh sorry, this is not the formula. X by 2, not x by 2, it is cos x. Okay, this is wrong. So cos x is this, no, cos x is equal to 1 minus 2. You see cos x by 2. Cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. No, similarly cos x, it's not cos x by 2. Cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. So what is cos x? Cos x is, you might have got cos x. Cos x is minus root 15 by 4. That you will have to write here. Minus root 15 by 4. Minus root 15 by 4 is equal to 1 minus. Okay. Minus root 15 by 4 minus 1 is equal to this. Okay. Now you can solve. So minus root 15 minus 4 by 4 is equal to minus 2 sine square x by 2. Now minus you can take common, root 15 plus 4 by 4 is equal to 2 sine square x by 2. Here also minus will get cancelled. So what will sine square x by 2 be? If this 2 comes this side, becomes 1 by 2. So root 15 plus 4 by 4 into 1 by 2, which is nothing but root 15, which is nothing but root 15 plus 4 by 8. Okay, x by 2, sine square x by 2. Now sine x by 2 will be plus or minus root of root 15 plus 4 by 8. Okay. Now again the same problem. So what you will have to do, you will have to make the denominator a perfect square. So you are multiplying by 2, and when you are multiplying the denominator, you will have to multiply the numerator also by 2. So plus or minus 2 root 15 plus 8 by 8 is a 16. So 16 will become 16 will become 4. Okay. Now plus or minus. So you will have to first find out whether it is plus or minus. So x by 2. X by 2 is in which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. So what you can do is 2 root 15 plus 8 by 4. Now this is your sine x by 2. Okay. Now what you'll have to find out is tan. Tan x by 2 is equal to sine x by 2 by cos x by 2. Now what is sine x by 2 you got is 2 root 15 plus 8 by 4 root of. And cos x by 2. What is cos x by 2 you got 8 minus 2 root 15 by 4. 8 minus 2 root 15 by 4. Here also there is root. No, here you can interchange this and you can write it as 8 plus 2 root 15 by this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. Then 8 minus 2 root 15. Both are under the root. So directly you can put whole root. You can put. Now what you will have to do? Now you can simplify it. What you will have to do is rationalize. Okay, if you rationalize, what you get? 8 plus 2 root 15 by 8 minus, or what you can do is, you see, you can take common and then last you can rationalize. What is the common in this 2? 2 is common, no? 2 is common. So I can write it as 4 plus root 15 by 2 again common, 4 minus root 15. Whole root you can put 2 you can cancel it. So 4 plus root 15 by 4 minus root 15. Okay. Now this is under the root. So now you can rationalize. So 4 plus root 15. Here you have what? 4 minus root 15. So the denominator should be rationalized, no? So 4 plus root 15. So 4 plus root 15, if you have multiplied in the denominator, you will have to multiply in numerator also root 15. Then again this is in whole root only. So 4 plus root 15 whole square this will become, because here also you have plus, here also you have plus, so it becomes whole square, and here it is minus, here it is plus. So a plus b, a minus b is what? A square minus b square. So what is a here? 4. So 4 square is 16. And what is b here? B here is root 15. So root 15 square is nothing but 15. A square minus b square. Okay. Now you see 4 plus root 15 whole square by 1. This is under the root. So 4 plus root 15 whole square under the root. Now this root and this square can be cancelled. So your answer is 4 plus root 15. Okay, done. So tan x by 2 is 4 plus root 15. Okay, guys, please, what you will have to practice all this. Once is not enough, 2 times or 3 times you will have to practice. Only then you will be thorough in this. And these are all very important. Miscellaneous exercise is very important. Okay, thank you guys.